In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export the chart of accounts in ERPNext. This process is fundamental if you're looking to analyze your financial data outside of the ERPNext environment, perhaps for in-depth reporting, sharing with your accountant, or simply to keep a backup. So, let's get started with the step-by-step guide. First, you want to log into your ERPNext dashboard. This is your starting point for navigating through all your modules and accessing the information you need. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll find a series of options. We're focusing on exporting data today, so direct your attention to the main menu. Look for the Tools option, which is usually found alongside other essential modules. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down options, choose Export Data. This is the gateway to getting your chart of accounts in a format that's easy to work with outside the ERPNext system. In the Export Data interface, you'll be prompted to select a document type. Here, we're interested in the chart of accounts, so you'll want to choose Account. This selection is crucial as it directly corresponds to all the account data you're looking to export, including various categories within your chart of accounts. Once you've made your selection, you'll notice an option to Add All Columns. Clicking this is optional, but I highly recommend you do so. By adding all columns, you'll ensure that you're capturing absolutely every detail associated with each account. This includes important fields such as the parent account, root type, account type, and more. Essentially, this gives you a comprehensive view and ensures nothing is left out of your export. Now, before you proceed, consider whether you want to apply any filters. ERPNext offers the flexibility to narrow down your data export by specifying criteria such as a particular company within your database. This can be particularly useful if you're managing multiple companies or want to isolate specific data sets. After confirming your document type and optional filters, scroll down in the Export Data window. You'll see an Export button at the bottom. Click on this button to initiate the export process. This action prepares your dataset based on the criteria and selections you've made. Once the export has been processed, you're given a choice between two file formats, CSV or Excel. Both have their merits, depending on your needs. CSV files are great for uploading into other software systems or handling large data sets due to their lightweight nature, while Excel can offer more immediate flexibility for data analysis with all its formatting and formula features. Make your choice, and then click Download. And there you have it. You now know how to export your chart of accounts from ERPNext with ease. Whether in a CSV or Excel format, you can now access and analyze your financial data whenever it suits you best. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore other features ERPNext offers to maximize your business efficiency.